Hi guys, today I'm gonna review my squishies that I made and I'm gonna make more of them, so that will be fun for you. First we have two strawberry. I color it first. Let's squish it first. I kind of like it. And I colored this red part on basic red, and this green one is a glossy green basic. But it's not a basic. I like what it turned in. It's a fast one and it's really squishy. We also made on paper squishies. Okay, I like this. And I'm not gonna review the other one because I already do that. Next, I'm gonna review the s'mores. Ooh, I like it. It's so pretty. I colored this a brown, and then another brown, and then light brown, and then a basic white. That's all, and this is a slow rising. Next, we're gonna review my marshmallow. I like it. We have marshmallow like this into our store. We like it, and we can play Chubby Bunny. And I didn't color this part, and then this. It's okay, but I like it. And it's a fast one. I don't know. And next I'm gonna review my kitten. It's so big and it's so squishy. La 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 la. La 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 la. I like this one. It's like a tiger. It's really squishy. I like this squishy the most. Next I'm gonna review my oops. This is just an ad, guys. Sorry about for the ad. Okay, let's pass. No, I don't want to do a game. I'm just gonna review my Jollibee French fries. Ooh. Okay. I like it when it turned. I colored this red part. Red basic, and then a purple, and then a glossy yellow. I like what it turned to the yellowish glossy because it's really cute. Okay, let's make more. Let's push this new squishy, and we're gonna just do something. And I don't get something, but it's okay because I'm gonna add it, not buying because I don't have monies to pay that. I'm gonna do I already make a cat, and then what I did is I make s'mores, and then a marshmallow, and then a French fries. Where's the French fries go? I didn't make the shark, and then the baby elephant, also the owl and koala, also the giraffe. Where is it? No, I don't like fruits and veggies. I'm not making those. Whoa, rainbow strawberry. I'm not yet making the avocado girl and then a pineapple. Oh, there's a cute baby boy. Galaxy tooth. That is so amazing. Ooh, we have milk cartons. Here's the fries. I already make this, but waffles and pizzas and then burger. But I like to do the burger. Let's do the burger. Not that. I'm gonna review the first colors. We have a glossy browns. We have browns. We have glitter sand. We have glossy sand, glitter olives, glossy olives, peach, glitter greens, glossy greens, glossy purples, glittery teal, glossy teal, glitter, and then a glossy basic, and then a basic, and then glitter silvers, grays, golds, yellows, glitter, blue, glossy blues, glitter pinks, glitter oranges, and is more than that you can count. Let's color the burger just in that color, and we're gonna use this color for the buns, and then for the cheese we're going to use a yellow. Let's add it. Sorry guys for the ad, but you're gonna like the ad. Cancel it already. Oh no, I cancel it. No ads available. Proceed. Oh, shopping stock. Let's use yellow for the cheese. Wait, do you have more on the back? No. And we're gonna use red for the basic right over here. What is that? We're gonna use brown. Let's find the brown. Where is the brown? Where is the brown? Here we go. This patty color. Whoa, it's a little bit dark there. We're gonna use green, not pastel. Okay. Let's just use the basic green. There you go. Okay, what is the next? Or wait, maybe we have glossy purple. Oh yeah, we definitely have those. So let's add it. Oops. Is that okay? Oh, I missed it. Okay, we're gonna use this kind of purple for an onion. Oh, maybe onions or garlic. No, the call purple, I don't know. That's a vegetable. You can make fry of that. I need a pink. Let's find pinky pink for the chicks for the hamburger. There you go, I like it. Oops, it's not yet colored. Cheese burger. Good. Okay. Let's squish it. Oh, I kind of like this kind of squishy. Wait, I didn't color the top. Wait, somebody's happening. Edit. We forgot the top. There you go. Okay, we're done. There's our cheeseburger. I like it. Ooh, it's the fastest. Let's make one more thing. So is the ad. Oh no. Push new squishy. I didn't make a galaxy llama and pig. I don't want a pig because I'm not a pig. So let's just do an Strip donut, my favorite. Let's just use here that color, and next is white. Oops. And let's color this like that. No, let's find a pink. Pink, where are you? There you are. I think pink, one of these. Yep, I like it. Let's just do the same. Strip. Stripped. No. Okay. Yay! And it's a little bit slow, but I like it. See you guys for a new squishies. Bye!